CryptoTrendRider is a powerful software that informs you of the best opportunities in the crypto markets at any time, all the time, so you can never miss a good trade, however obscure its market is. Though you don't need to track an investment minute by minute after you've made it, it is essential to get the trading alerts as soon as CTR detects them, and for that you need to sign up to a Telegram account. Telegram is an innovative instant messaging application released in 2013 with the goal of providing fast, secure communication to its users across all platforms, be it your cell phone, your web browser, your PC, or your Apple computer. The app is very similar to WhatsApp except for a few crucial features. It is much faster and reliable, it can be accessed on more than one device simultaneously, and, most importantly, its encryption is laser-focused on safeguarding your privacy. This is something no other major app has. With Telegram, you will never have to worry about giant, faceless corporations getting nosy with your personal details, nor with unscrupulous governments spying on your transactions and investments. Signing up for Telegram is extremely easy. If you don't have an account yet, the first thing you need to do is to download the app on your phone. Once you've installed Telegram, open it, select your country, and then type your phone number. Telegram will then send you a text message with a number code that you will type here to complete your registration. If you don't want to or can't receive an SMS message, Telegram will then call your phone so you can hear the code through a voice recording. Once the code is accepted, type your first and last names to complete the registration. And that's it, basically. Your account is now ready and you can start syncing multiple devices to it so you can get CTR wherever you go. Telegram can work across multiple devices at the same time, not only phones, but computers and web browsers too. After signing up for Telegram on your phone, we recommend you to install its PC or Mac version. To download it, go to Telegram's website, which you can access easily through this big blue section on your CTR dashboard. Right below the mobile versions of the software, select the appropriate version for your device, either an Apple computer or a Windows/Linux one. Next, install the software. The process is very quick, taking hardly more than 1 minute to complete. Once the app has been installed, find the icon on your computer and click on it. To automatically sync the app to your phone, just select your country and type your phone number just like you did in the sign-up process. Telegram will then send another code immediately to the app on your phone. Type the code here and you're all set. You can also access Telegram on your computer through your web browser alone. Just go back to Telegram's website, select Telegram web version, and you'll be brought to the login page. The login process is the same. Write your phone information and type the code you receive on your mobile Telegram account. Now that you have Telegram on your phone and computer, it's time to join CTR's accounts on the messaging app. Let's first try joining CTR's overall channel, which is this one linked on the major Telegram section of your account's dashboard. You can open the Telegram link with your computer app or directly online. Let's pick the online version. You'll be brought to the channel's conversation page, where you can click on the Join button at the end to join the channel. The channel will then appear in your conversation list on all devices you have a Telegram account installed. This, however, is just our open channel for general conversations and messages about the CTR service. In order to get the actual market signals, you need to access your CTR account and look for this blue Click to Join icon on the top of the pages. This button will lead you to the Telegram group of each respective market signal you want to receive. Currently, we offer 3 groups for our users, the first of which is CTR Signals. This is our flagship product, as well as the most accessible and easy-to-learn service for all of our users, so its signals are the ones you should definitely never miss. To get them, go to CTR Signals on your CTR account and click on the blue icon on the top of the page. You will be prompted by a message asking if you want to join the group. Accept it, and then you will be part of the CTR Signals group, where every signal detected on the CTR page will be immediately displayed on the conversation board. If you don't understand these alerts, don't worry, we have prepared more video tutorials that will explain in detail what these messages mean. Our second Telegram group is for CTR Elite Signals, which are reserved for our more experienced traders who have more time to invest on their daily trades. Click on the blue Join Signals button, go to the group, hit OK, and, much like in CTR Signals, you will receive every elite signal once it appears on the main CTR platform. Finally, our experienced users should also enjoy the Telegram group for CTR's pump and dump signals. Just click on the Join Signals button, access the group, accept the message, and you'll be in. Once you've joined your desired CTR groups, getting notified on your phone won't be a problem. By default, Telegram is already informing you of every signal CTR detects. You can customize these alerts, however, by tapping on your account details icon and selecting the option Settings. On the new page, scroll down to the Settings section and select Notifications and Sound. Here, you can make the notifications as loud or as silent as you want them to be. On your computer, Telegram will alert you of every new signal with a pop-up message in the lower right corner of your screen. To receive these messages, some version of Telegram must be active on your computer at all times. A good way to ensure that is by going to the Settings page of the app and checking the box Launch Telegram when system starts. It also works to leave the web version of Telegram open in your browser, but a more practical way would be to simply install an extension. Just go to your browser's extension store, look for its version of Telegram and install it, making sure to allow notifications on your computer. Once all is set and done, just repeat the login process as we've seen before. And that is it. Now that you have Telegram installed in all your major devices, it will be close to impossible to miss a notification every time CTR detects a new signal.